Special thanks to the company again for sending these. But this one is an under cabinet LED motion sensor light, 3-color 1-pack. So this one is not just white, it is 3 different colors. Now again, nothing around the box, and this is exactly how it comes from Amazon. Picture there. So let's get into this. And yeah, that's it for the box. So a little user's manual here, a couple different languages, and included USB-C cable for charging, just in case you don't have one. And then this is the actual light. So this one has 2 buttons. The other version that's only the white version has just a single button. This part does work the same, where that this is magnetic onto here, so you can use the double-sided tape, or you could put you a screw through and permanently mount this. The USB-C port is on the bottom here. This is of course your motion sensor. And does it have anything? Wow, it doesn't. So we will have to get the 3-color version here charged up, and I guess we'll charge up the other one as well. And then once they're all charged, we will take these out, put them in the kitchen to see exactly what they look like at nighttime. And in case you're wondering, these have nice charging indicators. This one's green because it's fully charged. That one's red because it's still charging. So after this morning, I had an ingenious idea for these new under cabinet mounts that we have. When I came to the restroom this morning at like 3 a.m., this light and this light was very bright. And we already have a little metal shelf here. So what a better spot to put our 3-color under cabinet motion LED light than right here. Because then when it's 3 in the morning and one of us comes to use the restroom, we'll get a little bit of light without having to be blinded. So very easy setup process here. We'll just peel these off and then literally just take this, and since this is already metal, we didn't even have to use the clips. Look at that. And then when we get motion, we'll get light right here. So we should be able to see at nighttime. Once it's night and we don't have all this light, I'll show you again. What does that button like leave it on? Oh, that's the color change. And then in this room, this is where I put the multicolor. So when I walk up, cuts on. When I'm using the restroom late at night, I can say even with this chick doll thing in the way, it's still cut on. Let me move that out there so you can see better. So this is the multicolor. So it has the 2 lights. So you got that color as well, which is a little bit dimmer than the other one. And then you've got that more yellow look, and then the bright look. So this one works the same way as the other model that only has 1 color, where when it detects motion, it stays on for 15 seconds and then cuts off. Has a little battery in it, recharges, absolutely great. To be honest, I actually had to use this last night when I had to come to the restroom. 2 thumbs up, absolutely loving this thing.